Oh, I mean, if you guys could smell it. Do you guys have smell-o-vision at home? If you do, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have smell-o-vision. Flip. Oh, look at that crack. We are going to make a crack burger. Oh, yeah. We got some blue cheese crumbles. I got some cooked bacon. Got some fresh hamburger. Got the Blackstone fired up. Come on with me. Let's put this together. All right, everyone. The bacon blue cheese crack burger. I never made one before, but they look so good. Look at that. Oh, yeah. That's all good bits on there. So I got my recipe. I'm going to share with you on how I make my version of this crack burger. All right. So the first thing we're going to do for this crack burger is I got a white Vidalia onion, or they call it sweet Vidalia. I'm just going to take a big old hunk of piece of this onion. I'm going to do a center cut just like that. I want a nice, healthy piece. And I'm going to go put this on the Blackstone, and we're just going to cook it just like that. And it's going to go on our brioche bun, and it's going to be so good. Now, today's hamburger I have here is the grass-fed 8515 ground beef. Go ahead and drop that right on in. To this burger, we're going to take some blue cheese. I'm going to put about that much in there. I'm going to put half the container in there. This is what, a 5 ounces? So I'm going to put 2.5 ounces in there. Onion powder. Just going to put a little dab of onion powder in there, not much. I got a little bit of garlic. Got to keep the vampires away. A little bit of salt, not much. Got plenty of salt in that blue cheese. And a little bit of fine black pepper, like that. Now for the crack. I have here 7 slices of bacon that I've already pre-cooked, and I'm just going to head and break them right up right inside. And this is going to make our crack burger for us. I'm just going to mix this right straight through. Leave a comment down below, guys. Have you ever made a crack burger? And if you have, tell me about it. What was the good and the bad part of it? I'm going to take about 1 large meatball, form it into a meatball just like that. We'll put this to the side. I have here my hamburger press. I love this thing. I'll leave a link for it in the description below on Amazon. Guys, get you one of these. It's fantastic, especially if you like making hamburgers. So easy to make. I'll lay this right in the middle. We're going to press that sucker down. Just like that. And there you go. Perfect hamburger patty. Oh, yeah. Perfect hamburger patty, guys. All right. We're going to let that sit for a few minutes while the Blackstone heats up. All right. Going to let that burger cook. Let that onion cook. We'll be back in a little bit. We'll put this together. Alrighty, everyone. Well, every crack burger needs to have a great sauce to go with it. And today's no exception. We have here some sriracha chili sauce. I got some Hellman's mayonnaise. We're going to make a quick sauce with our crack burger. I got 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now, guys, be careful with the sriracha sauce because it will light you up. Oh, you can smell that sriracha sauce. A little bit more sriracha sauce. Level's not quite there yet. I mean, that's about another half a teaspoon. I mean, this is a crack burger, so definitely going to crack something. Probably the toilet tonight. If I put too much sriracha sauce in there, I'll probably crack the toilet tonight. You know what, guys? The heck with it. We're going to go all out. We're going to put another half a teaspoon in there. Let's crank it up to 5. I don't think I want to go any higher than 5. Alrighty, everyone. All right, let's go ahead and flip this burger. Oh, I mean, if you guys could smell it. Do you guys have smell-o-vision at home? If you do, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have smell-o-vision. Flip. Oh, look at that crack. Look at that. Oh, yeah. That's all good bits on there. All right, let's flip this onion over. Come on, Mr. Onion. There we go. Oh, yeah. Nice caramelization on that onion. Mmm. That's going to be good. All right. We got another couple minutes on this. and we'll build this burger. Alrighty, everyone, this burger is done. We're going to go ahead and pull that burger off and pull that onion off. That burger looks absolutely fantastic. That onion, perfectly caramelized, nice and soft. Going to be so good. Bottom bun. We're going to take that mayonnaise and sriracha sauce, put a little bit right on there. Got a slice of tomato. Got some avocado. I love avocado. Avocado. Got some pickles on there. These are just regular house dill pickles. Got a little bit of lettuce on there. Take that burger. By the way, just to show you guys, that burger, the bottom of it is just as crusty as the top. That is going to be good. Lay that burger right on top, just like that. We're going to take some more of that sriracha mayonnaise, put it on the top bun, and bam, there it is. The Happy Eats Crack Burger. All right, guys, we're going to grab some pictures. We're going to have a taste test. All right, let's see if we can get this crack burger in my mouth. Squeeze this down a little bit. Mom, any last encouraging words for me?
Yes, you can do it.
You can do it. All right, guys. Cheers, everyone. Wow. Now that mayonnaise and sriracha sauce, it's got a nice kick to it. But, guys, you can taste that blue cheese all through that burger. You get that bacon. I got avocado. I got tomato. I got onion. I got to tell you, that is a hell of a burger. Until next time, guys, make sure you check out my upcoming video. I'm making a whole roaster chicken, and I'm going to have real crunchy skin on it. But until next time, as always, God bless and happy eats. Love y'all.